Good morning children. Hope you all are doing good at home. Yes. So today we are going to discuss your lesson number 3 in English. Term 1, lesson number 3, English. So what is that lesson? What are they doing? Now before going into the lesson, what are you doing at home? Let me ask this question. I know my children are very good. You're listening. You're doing the regular homeworks what we are sending it. Am I right? Yes, you're playing with your parents. You're listening what your parents are telling. You're sleeping in time. You're waking up early. You're brushing your teeth, taking bath, praying to God and coming back to your studies. Am I right? I hope everybody are doing the same part. If I am right, I know my children are very good. You are going to do this only. Now let us see what are they doing. What does it mean? What are they doing? So in this lesson, we are going to see what are a group of friends they are doing in their home. So before I start up a lesson, children be ready with your pencil and your textbook, page number 22. Are you ready with your textbook and pencil? Now come on, open your page 22. Now let us see. In this book they have given few pictures. You have their group of friends over there. Now let us see the first pair. Today is Sunday. What is today? Today is Sunday. And what is that? Raja and Neha are at home. These two children are at home. Raja is reading a book. What is Raja doing? He is reading a book. And what Neha is doing? Neha is coloring. She is coloring a picture of the sun. What is she doing? She is coloring the picture of a sun. Now as it was a Sunday, Raja and Neha are at home. Now what Raja is doing? Raja is reading a book. Come on children, underline the word reading everybody. Yes, Raja is reading the book. Now Neha, what Neha is doing? Neha is coloring a picture. What is a picture she is coloring? Sun. Now underline the word coloring. Got it? Yes. Next. The next one. Then you have another girl. She is playing with her pet. What is she doing? Mary is brushing. Is she brushing her teeth? No. What is Mary doing? Mary is brushing the hair of her pet called Timmy. So Mary is brushing. Underline the word brushing. Okay children, underline the word brushing. What is she brushing? She is not brushing her teeth. She is not brushing her hair. Even she is not brushing her own teeth or she is not brushing her hair. What is she doing? She is brushing Timmy. The cat is also having hair on her on the body. Yes, she is brushing the hair of the cat called Timmy. Alright. And next, now see other boy, what is he doing? Jeet. What is the boy name? Jeet. Jeet is watering the plants. Underline the word watering. What do you mean by watering? So he is pouring water to the plants. Do you do it at home? Yes, you should regularly pour some water to the plants. He likes plants. Do you love plants, children? Yes, I too love plants. Jojo. Who is Jojo? Yes, Jojo is his dog. Jojo, his dog, likes plants too. So along with Jeet, his pet name dog. What is his pet? Dog. What is the name of the dog? Jojo. Jojo also loves the plants too. Now what is he doing? He is helping out the Jeet. How he is helping out the Jeet to water the plants. Alright children, have you seen? So what in the page number 22 if you find, so Raja and Neha are there. So what Raja and Neha? Raja and Neha are at home. Now what Raja is doing? Raja is reading the book. Neha is coloring the picture of the sun. And next you have Mary. Mary, what is he doing with the pet? She loves her pet Timmy a lot. So what is Mary doing? Mary is brushing the hair of the pet Timmy. And next if you see Jeet. What is Jeet doing? Jeet is watering the plants. He is pouring some water to the plants. And and he has a pet also, that is dog. And what is the name? Jojo. Now Jojo also loves the plants, so Jojo is helping out Jeet to water the plants. Okay children, now coming to page 23. Now what the Meena is, see, can you see the picture? She is crying. Who is she? Meena is crying. Now see children, underline the word crying. Meena is crying. Why is she crying? Let us see. Her ice cream is on the floor. Ayyo, poor child. She bought an ice cream. Everybody loves the ice cream. Yes, but you shouldn't eat ice cream. It is not good for the teeth, children. Okay. Now, since her ice cream fell down on the floor, she can't eat. Can you pick out anything fell down on the floor and will you eat it? No, it's a very bad habit. You should throw it in the dustbin. The things that falls down, you should not pick it up and you should not put it in your mouth. Got it? So Meena is crying as her ice cream fell down. Now the ice cream stick isn't. So ice cream fell down, only the stick is there. Can you lick the stick? No, I don't like licking the stick. I love to lick the ice cream rather than the stick. Now Kitty is licking the ice cream. Now who is this Kitty? Kitty is the pet. Again it is a cat. You can see the picture. So ice cream fell down and Meena is crying, but Kitty is enjoying the taste of ice cream. So licking. Underline the word licking. Licking ante nakadam. Okay, alright. Now next in the picture, you see Salma is very happy. She has colorful balloons over there. Let us see. Salma is playing with balloons. With what she is playing? Balloons. So underline the word playing and also underline the word balloons. Okay, so Salma is playing with balloons. There are big balloons. Aren't the balloons big? Yes, the balloons are very big and also there are small balloons. Some balloons are red and some balloons are yellow. So you can find the balloons in the picture, children. Salma is playing with balloons. Few balloons are big and few balloons are small and some balloons are red and some balloons are yellow. And next, see in the next picture if you see, Mihir, they are playing a hide and seek game. Do you love playing hide and seek? Yes, you can play with your parents at home. Nowadays you will enjoy because your parents are at home. Aren't you happy your parents are at home? Yes, very good. So you can play hide and seek game with your parents. Now see here, Mihir, he is hiding behind the chair. Where is Mihir? Mihir is hiding backside of the chair. So underline hiding. Hiding ante dakod. He is hiding behind the chair and Rani is hiding under the table. Hiding under the table. Under ante table kinda. Table ke niche. Rani is hiding under the table and Tom is hiding under the quilt. So where is Tom? Is hiding? He is under the quilt. Quilt mane blanket. So he is under the quilt. Underline the word quilt. Mala is looking for them. Now all these three friends have started hiding. Now Mala started searching for the friends. So this is what all the friends are doing. What are they doing? Let us come to one conclusion. See, as it was a Sunday, Raja and Neha are at home. Raja is reading the book. Neha is coloring the picture of the sun. What Mary is doing? Mary is brushing the hair of Timmy. Then what Jeet and Jojo are doing? Jeet is watering the plants and Jojo is helping out Jeet in watering the plants. Then what is Meena doing? Poor girl, Meena is crying as her ice cream fell down, but her pet Kitty is very happy because it is enjoying the taste of ice cream by licking it. Then what Salma is doing? Salma is playing with the colorful balloons. Few balloons are big, few balloons are small and some balloons are red in color, some balloons are yellow in color. And what the other children are doing? They are playing a hide and seek game. Mihir is hiding back of the chair Rani is hiding under the table. Tom is hiding under the quilt. Poor child Mala is searching for her friends. So this is what they are doing at their home. So this is about your lesson. What are they doing? Now we have another fellow also. Where is Saif? Now started. Mala, she started searching her friends. They are playing hide and seek. Where is Saif? Can you see him? I can see you, Saif, shouts Mala. It is fun playing together. So she caught Saif, who is hiding behind the curtain. Have you seen the picture? And she said, Saif, I caught you. So the game ended over there, and they had fun playing together this hide and seek game. Now, underline the word playing. Also underline the word together. Okay children, now, so why did I make you to underline all these words? These are all new words and you are going to write it in your classwork notebook and you are going to learn. If you observe children, all these things, these are all action words. Reading is an action word, coloring, brushing, watering, these are all action words. So what are they doing? Doing is nothing but what sort of an action they are doing at their homes. This is what you learned about your lesson. So you write all these new words that you have underlined in your textbook with a pencil in your classwork notebook two times and you are going to learn this spellings of these words. Okay children, now we have completed our lesson. Now let us see, here you have few exercises. Let us discuss. Read and understand. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Now they have given up pictures over there. Now you have to see the pictures and you have to fill up the blanks. Now see there Raja is doing. What is he doing? He is reading a book. Raja is reading. And now what Neha is doing? Neha is coloring. And now Rani is doing. What is Rani doing there? Rani is hiding. What is she doing? She is hiding. And Meena. What Meena is doing, poor child? She is crying. Yes. So there ends your that question. Now coming to your page 25, you have question and answers. Where are Raja and Neha? Where are Raja and Neha children? Raja and Neha are at home. Where are they? They are at home. Now who is helping Jeet? He has a pet dog. What is the name? Jojo. Yes. Pet dog Jojo is helping Jeet. Now where is Rani hiding? If you see the picture, where is Rani hiding? Rani is hiding under the table. Where is Rani hiding? Rani is hiding under the table. Who does Mala see? End of the game. Who does Mala has caught up? Yes, Saif. So Mala has seen Saif and they have enjoyed and they had fun playing together. That is about your answer the questions children. Okay. Now, so these question and answers and this fill in the blanks, try to complete it out. So for today we end the class and we'll see in the next class. Thank you children.